Hello students, welcome to this video. In the last video, we had a discussion over some word problems based on our daily life. Today, in this video, we will discuss about some more problems like that. This problem says that Rahul spent 3 by 5 of his savings and still he has rupees 2000 left. Now, what were his savings? So, we don't know the total savings, so therefore, we will assume that rupees X. So therefore, the money spent by him is rupees X into 3 by 5, that is rupees 3x by 5. Now, the money left with him is equals to rupees X minus 3x by 5. So this is the money spent by him and this was the money that was with him, that is equals to X into, we can take X as common, 3 by 5. So 1 minus 3 by 5, so let us write X into 5 minus 3 by 5, that equals to rupees 2x by 5. So this is the money left with him. Now according to the problem, this should be equal to rupees 2000. Therefore, according to the problem, 2x by 5 should be equals to 2000. So that means x is equal to 2000 into 5 by 2. So it is 1. So obviously it is 1000. So this is equals to 5000. So that means rupees 5000 was with him as savings. Question number 2 says that if 4 by 5 of an estate worth rupees 42,000, then find the worth of the whole estate. So as we have to find the worth of the whole estate, so therefore let the worth of the whole estate be rupees X. So therefore we can easily say that 4 by 5 of X is equals to 42,000, because 4 by 5 of an estate, so this is the whole worth of the estate. So therefore 4 by 5 of X is equal to 42,000. So that means of means multiplication we know. So that means 4 by 5x equals to 42,000. This implies x equals to 42,000 into 5 divided by 4. So it is 14 and 3 zeros. X equals to 70,000. So the total worth of this estate is 70,000. Question number 3 says, when Krishna travelled 25 km, he found that 3 by 5 of his journey was still left. The question is, what was the length of whole journey? As we don't know the total length of the journey, so we have assumed that the total length of the journey be x kilometer. Suppose this is x kilometer, so this is 25 kilometer which has been covered, and this is the journey which is left. Okay, so the journey that is left equal to 3 by 5 of x. It is given 3 by 5 of this journey is still left. So this is equals to 3x by 5 kilometer. Now the length of the journey travelled, so it will be x minus 3x by 5 kilometer. So this is left. So if I subtract the left one from the total, so that means this journey has been travelled. So this is x 1 minus 3 by 5. So it is x into 2 by 5. So it is 2x by 5 kilometer. Now according to the problem, 2x by 5, so this should be 2x by 5. So this is traveled, so 2x by 5 is equals to 25. So x will be equals to 25 into 5 divided by 2. So that is equals to 125 by 2. So this is equals to 62.5. So the total length of the journey is 62.5 kilometer. So students, do not forget to write the unit at last. Now question number 4. Listen to this carefully. From a piece of land, 1/3 is bought by Rajesh. 1/3 of the remaining is bought by Manoj. If 600 meters square is still left unsold, find the total area of the piece of land. So we need to find the total area of the piece of land. So let the total area be x meter square. Therefore, Rajesh bought 1/3 of x meter square. So that means x by 3 meter square. Now Manoj bought 1/3 of the remaining. Now we have to find the remaining part. Now the remaining part is x minus x by 3 meter square, because this is bought by Rajesh. So therefore the remaining part is this one. So the x is common. So x minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So that equal to 2x by 3 meter square. Now Manoj bought 1/3 of remaining. That means 1/3 into this 2x by 3. This is the remaining part. So that should be equal to 2x by 9 meter square. So the piece of land that is bought by both Rajesh and Manoj is this two. That is x by 3 and 2x by 9. Therefore, the piece of land bought by both Rajesh and Manoj together is equals to x by 3 plus 2x by 9 meter square. So that is, so we can write it x as common. So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 meter square. So this is 9 as LCM. 3 3 is the 9 plus 9 1. So it is 2. So this is 5 by 9. So it is 5x by 9 meter square. Okay, now this is the piece of land that is bought by Manoj and Rajesh. Now the piece of land that is unsold is equals to the total area minus the area that is bought. So that is, so x, we can take x as common. So it will be x minus 5 by 9. So x, that is 1 minus 5 by 9. So that means it is 9 minus 5 by 9. So it is 4x by 9. Now according to the problem, this 4x by 9 is 600 meter square because it is unsold. So x will be equals to 600 into 9 by 4. So it is 1, it is 15, 0. So 15 into 9 is 135, it is 0. So this is, therefore the total piece of land is 1350 meter square. This is the answer. This is the last video on fractions. Thank you for watching this video.